In the winter session of the Lok Sabha on the 5th of December 2025, MP Dr Ricky Andrew Syngkon raised concerns over the difficulties faced by communities in the Khasi and Jaiñtia Hills amid the ongoing construction of the Shillong Dawki Road and the Western Bypass, both being executed by the Nhidcl. During his brief one-minute intervention, he was stated to have informed the House that the agency had failed to adhere to standard operating procedures, resulting in disruption, environmental damage and alteration of river courses. Dr. Syngkon also called for strict action against those responsible, particularly the contractors engaged in the project.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for allowing me to raise a very important issue concerning the road construction that is currently taking place from Shillong to Dawki and the Western Bypass under the Nhidcl. Through you, Mrs. Chairperson, I would like to request the concerned minister to consider paying compensation to the farmers, then the homestay operators, tour operators, whose livelihood have been greatly affected due to the unmindful dumping of debris along the streams, and this has affected, the paddy fields. It has affected the water source of many people who have been living, through depending on these natural resources. Yes. And therefore, I would request the concerned minister to consider some kind of compensation to these people, and at the same time to take stern action against those involved in such unmindful and selfish act by contractors in the name of development. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson.